Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can get your Odoo certification, so let's get right into it. Now, the first place you're going to want to go is you're going to need to go to odoo.com/slides/all, and this is going to give you all of the courses which you see on my screen right now. Now, keep in mind, you do need to have a verified account to be able to access these, so just make sure you have it before you try to access this. Now, if you want certification, as you can see, some of them or most of them don't actually have certification. All of these are useful for different things. However, if you do indeed want certification, you just need to go into certification and make sure that the filter is on. As you can see, it says that my account has not been verified because for some reason it logged me out, but it's not very important right now. And as you can see, you have a couple of different certification courses, such as the Odoo 18 functional certification, the 17 certification, 16, and the sample test for certification. However, I'm pretty sure that this isn't for pretty much anything, so you should focus on these three right here. Now, you do have them in English, you also have them in Spanish, as well as the version 15 certification in Spanish, and here is the one in English. And yeah, all you have to do, just click on the one that you want and take that course. Of course, those courses do cost a very large sum of money depending on what your budget is. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But otherwise, you can just add this to cart, buy it, and go through the entire course, and you should get your certification very easily. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.